What are you doing?
You playing in your tubby? Tubby?
Yeah? You having fun?
Hi.
Look at you. You can sit up without falling down, can't ya? Yeah? Look at your little rubber ducky. You want your little rubber ducky?
Let me come down here so you don't have to fall every time you look at me.
Yeah? What you doing?
Hi, boogers. Hi, boogers. Hi. What?
You having fun?
Get your ducky.
Grab the ducky. You done?
Like, why is everybody staring at me?
You done playing in the tub?
Really?
Can you say grandma? That was close. Say grandma.
What about Grandpa?
You say grandpa? You can grunt? Can you say dad dad? Can you say mom mom?